Good morning dear students, my name is Sandeep Singh Bhandari and today I am going to teach you class 10th mathematics chapter named trigonometry. So the word trigonometry is formed by using combined three different Greek words. The first one is tri, which means three, the second one is gon, which means side, and the third one is metron, which means measurement. So trigonometry is the relationship between the sides angles of a triangle. So in trigonometry a right angle triangle is considered. So let us assume ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Let's say angle C make an angle theta. So the side which is opposite to this angle theta is our perpendicular, and the side which is just below this angle theta is our base, and the remaining side which is here AC is our hypotenuse. So there are total 6 trigonometric ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, cot theta and sec theta. So the first one is sin theta. So sin theta is the ratio of side perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So AB upon AC is equal to, where AB is P and AC is H. Now the second one is cos theta. Now the cos theta is the ratio of side BC upon AC. So cos theta is equal to BC upon AC, where BC is base and AC is hypotenuse. So H. The third one is tan theta. So tan theta is the ratio of side AB upon BC. So AB upon BC. Here AB is perpendicular and side BC is base. So upon B. Now the fourth one is cosec theta. Cosec theta. So cosec theta is the ratio of side AC upon AB. So AC upon AB. Here is AC is hypotenuse and AB is perpendicular. Similarly, we have sec theta, which is the ratio of side AC upon BC. So AC upon BC, H upon B. And the last one is cot theta, which is the ratio of side BC upon AB. BC upon AB. Here BC is base and AB is perpendicular. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now if you observe carefully in sin theta and cosec theta, you will notice that sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta and cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta, and the tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta. Let's say sin theta is here P upon H and cosec theta is H upon P. Let me rub this. Sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta, or we can say cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. If we take this cosec theta here, so we have sin theta multiplied by cosec theta is equal to 1. Now what is sin theta? We know that sin theta is P upon H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, multiplied by cosec theta. What is cosec theta? cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular is equal to 1. Now when we solve this p will cancel out this p, this h cancel out this h. Now we have 1 is equal to 1, which is true. So we can say that sin theta multiplied by cosec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, we can say that sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta and tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta. Now we have tan theta and cot theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta. Now tan theta, what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, P upon B is equal to sin theta. What is sin theta? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So P upon H divided by cos theta. What is cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse. So B upon H. We write P upon H as it is. Now this fraction, when we take it here, then this H denominator will become numerator and this numerator will become denominator. So here you see this H will cancel out this H, and with the remaining we have P upon B, which is equal to this. So by this we can say tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Similarly, in case of cot theta is equal to B upon P. So here we have cos theta, and what is cos theta? B upon H divided by sin theta. What is sin theta? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So P upon H. Now we write this B upon H as it is. Now when we take this fraction P upon H to here, we change this denominator and this numerator will become denominator. So P. Here you see this H cancel out this H, and the remaining is B upon P, which is equal to cot theta. So we can say by this we can write cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta.